Hey guys, so thanks for watching. As you can see, we have the Amazon Smart Thermostat, and I've already posted other videos on how to install this device as well as how to actually use it. But one question I keep getting is, how do you factory reset this? Just in case there's a problem, maybe you didn't do the installation correctly in the app and you want to start from scratch. So we're going to learn that right now. It's really simple. Okay, so what you do is you want to hold all three of these buttons right here. We're going to hold them. You got to do it for several seconds here. Alright, should be coming up any moment to say reset. There we go, right there. Okay, once it says reset, you're going to hold that center button. Alright, that should factory reset it just like we first installed it right out of the box. Once the thermostat is factory reset, you're going to have to get your phone out. We're going to go to the Amazon Alexa app and we're going to complete the installation from here. So you're going to open the app. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And you may see it does say control thermostat from the previous installation. But that's not going to work anymore. So we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to go to devices and then we're going to go plus. So we're going to add a device right here. We're going to add device. We're going to scroll down to thermostat. And then we're going to add Amazon. Okay? Has your new thermostat already been installed on the wall? Yes. Does your thermostat display set? Yes. Okay? Now it's going to try to connect to it. And it does tell you to make sure that your Bluetooth and camera are on. And we're going to have to scan the barcode. Okay? So let me go get that right now. Okay, so I got the barcode. I'm going to go ahead and scan that. Okay, barcode has been scanned. It's now looking for the thermostat via the Bluetooth connection. Okay, there we go. It's proceeding. May take up to a minute. You just want to keep in mind that the QR code that came with the thermostat, make sure you don't lose that. Keep that very handy. That's on the back of the little blue booklet that came with the device. It's going to go ahead and start connecting it to your Wi-Fi. You just need the Bluetooth connection to initially get things going. Once it's actually installed, it's going to work over Wi-Fi. It's going to basically work over your internet connection. Alright, so it has found it and it's been added to the account. Okay, now we're getting to the next step here. Okay, so now we have to remember where we put all the wires. Okay, so this is very important that you do all of this correctly. So I know I have a C wire, I have a G, I have a W, I have an R, I have a Y, and that's all I have. So I'm going to hit next, and I'm going to hit next again. But you know, this is, if you've made any mistakes during your installation before, this is how you factory reset it and can just start over. Okay, do I have a forced air system? Okay, it usually has vents or registers in the floor, ceilings, or walls. So yeah, I do. Okay, I have natural gas. Okay, next. Installation should be just about finished, and you can see the thermostat is now says off. It no longer says set. Now we're going to be testing it. Okay, you can see it's, there you go, I just heard it click. It's got the heat set to 74. Now it can take a brief period of time for the heat to kick on that first time. But I know it's going to work. I've already been using this thing for several weeks. I'm going to say yes, heat is on. Okay, I'm going to say yes, fan is on. Now, if this is your first time installing it, you want to actually confirm and verify that the heat did come on, that the fan did come on. But I've been using this thing for several weeks. I've had no issues with it at all. Okay, we're not going to do any scheduling. I don't care much for that feature. Alright, we're going to hit next. We're going to hit done. Okay, there's the thermostat. We're going to go ahead and bump this to heat. Okay, and you can see there it says 62 degrees, which is what the app matches up to. We're going to go ahead and bump this up. We're going to put it on, let's say 70. The thermostat should change to 70. There you go. So that's how you do a factory reset and go back through the app and do the full installation all over again. If you made any mistakes during the first installation, that's how you correct it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.